Hello everyone, and there's the turn for new rock makeup. And this time I decided to go with purple, something minimalistic. Let's start. I'm gonna surprise you with this paper tape. Yes, we will use this as a helper in our makeup. This is basically how we will make shape of our makeup for this time. And don't worry, it's easy to remove. It's just normal paper tape, but you also can use medical paper tape. And of course, don't forget to check if this is symmetry. Okay, the first step, I'm use base, mine from Essence, and this purple color. Oh, I'm so excited actually. Also, I will use some of this and this. Definitely will add something pink, maybe light pink and hot pink. And of course, how without this? One more. Okay, and by our first step, we apply hot pink under our eye and blend it out. Yes, we use paper tape for don't go down, and this will be like sharp line in the end, you will see. But to the center and out, we need to blend it. The same we do from the other side too. Also, as you saw in the beginning, there's some lines in inner corner, and I also will duplicate this by pink and later by purple. This will add some kind of volume of our makeup. Here you need to be careful, don't apply too much, you still need the space to blend it out to the middle and to the inner angle. And there's the time for our soft shimmer pink. I wish have a little bit another one, but you know how we girls are, we have million eyeshadow, but we don't have exact the color what we have in our head. I'm blending our soft pink up to the eyebrow and a little bit at an inner eye angle. And right now, turn off our purple. I'm actually so excited about this pigment. This will be first time when I'm using this. You can see I start from this angle and just slowly blended it. To be fair, pigment not that strong as I expected, so we'll use wet technique. I basically use my hyaluronic acid toner for make it wet, and you can see right now how it will change the pigment. Color become more strong and you can see it's a huge difference. So basically I'm just go over the pink and duplicate this by purple, and still a little bit left the pink one visible. That will make some like 3D effect or something like that. And the same I'm repeat from this angle. Also be careful, we no need to cover all pink or go too deep purple in this part. Carefully blend it together and you can still see my pink visible. Okay, and this time for our white, I want to duplicate my inner eye angle and some space under the brow. And of course, as tradition, I will fix it by eyeshadow. My choice for this time is white matte one from Essence. It's not expensive one, but very good. I think one eyeshadow around, and the same one black one I will use for make more darker this angle, and also I'm blending all together very well. Okay, and right now we'll remove our paper tape. You can see it's not hard, it's not painful, it's don't left any red spots or something. But yeah, exactly, because of this we got the nice shape. And now double check if we have some sharp angle, how I have from this side. Just blend it together with our line. And if you have the same as I do, just take some wet wipes, mine for removing makeup, and just a little bit clean it up. If you do this carefully, you even no need to continue blending. And there's the time for my favorite pigment, which will add some yellow, warm inner shine. I can tell. I don't know how to explain, but this is really one of my favorite. Literally, I haven't made the same one. If I will have a chance to find this, I will buy 10 of this, really. Time to take care of our eyebrow, and yeah, NYX again helped me. These are another products which I can recommend to everybody. They have many colors to choose, plus it's really hold all day. And it's time to shine. My choice today is white and purple stars, and I will apply this on hair gel. And of course I decided to add some more shiny. This is another my favorite glitter. It's actually for nails, so you can take a look in your city in your nail stores. Okay, and there is the time for our contouring. Again, for the show I make this darker than I do in real life, just because there's a lot of light and I still need to have some shape on my face. And this is recently my favorite highlighter palette from Revolution. And I will duplicate this with white color here, here, and here. So first I do whitening for make my highlighter more visible, because I wanted this really obvious. I'm just applying my white eyeshadow first and then just duplicate by highlighters. And of course, the main secret is you need to blend it out all together very well. Okay, and here is another, again this pigment. Yeah, I will duplicate my highlighter. I need to more glow. And today I will fix my makeup with this powder. Well, actually, I was hoping to fix this makeup with this powder, but yeah, after a few minutes, I still cannot open this. I decided to give up, but I did not give up, okay? That's what I said in my tattoo. And I go again and again trying to open this, and okay, next time, yeah, look at this face, yeah, not successful, great. So I just fix it by my normal powder, so it also can work for you too. And about my lips, I decided to go with black. And of course, someone forgot to buy the black lipstick. But there's a hack for you, just catch it. And yep, my favorite eyeliner will help me here too. I'm using the brush for blending to apply this on my lips. And after just fix this by eyeshadow. You can tell it will stay on my lips all through show. Plus, I was drinking coffee and eat some chocolate, so it's work. Thank you for watching this video. Follow me for more if you like my tutorials. Every week I try to do more and more different makeup.